Hi everyone, and welcome to our weekly English vocabulary words. Every week, we are going to learn 5 new English words. Are you ready? Let's begin. Number 1, tiger. 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 Number 2, duck. 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 Number 3, zebra. 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 Number 4, cow. 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 Number 5, dog. 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 Great job! See you next time!